Asking for directions. Where is the bus station? Here's a more polite way to ask on the street. Could you point me to the bus station? Taking a taxi. Can you take me to the hotel? A native might phrase it a bit more casually. I'm heading to the hotel. Could you drop me off near the main entrance? Buying tickets. I want a ticket. That sounds too direct. Try this instead. Can I get one ticket for the next show, please? Riding the subway. How to go subway? That's a bit off. Let's fix it with a native version. Which line goes to downtown? Hotel check-in. I have a booking. A native speaker would be a bit more specific. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Sarah Johnson. At the beach. I go beach. How would a native say that? We're heading down to the beach for a swim. Airport check-in. Where's the gate? Sounds too short, right? Here's the native way. Could you tell me where gate A6 is? Exploring the city. I walk city. Let's give that a smoother native twist. We're just exploring the neighborhood. Next time you're traveling, try using these native expressions. And in the next episode, we'll show you how native speakers shop like pros.